Hello guys, I'm Chicken. Today, I'm gonna smoke one cigarette while talking about something important. To me, something important to me. So, ano nga important na yun? It's depression. First, before we get into that, let's get this lit up. So guys, depression is real. And it's okay to talk about it. Kasi nung una kong narinig yung salitang depression, parang nakakatakot, di ba? Pero the more na nag-aaral ako, the more na na-realize ko na it's part of life, so gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga natutunan ko about coping with depression. Una, yung pakiramdam, yung feeling. So ano ang dapat nating gawin kapag nakakaramdam tayo ng depression? Una, let it be. Una yung feeling mo, let it be. Kapag nilalabanan mo, lalong magiging mas mahirap. It's like trying to hold the beach ball underwater. The more you push it down, the more it will pop up back. Yeah, take a deep breath and let's acknowledge the pain. O kung ano man yung nararamdaman natin. Pangalawa, try to find the triggers. Para sa akin, it's usually kapag feeling ko overwhelmed or stress ako, itatry ko yung step back. Step back, breathe, and identify what's going on. Journaling helps. Ako nagsusulat ako tuwing may nararamdaman ako. Kaya kung may nararamdaman kayong hindi maganda, isulat ninyo kung ano yung nararamdaman ninyo, tsaka kung ano yung nasa thoughts ninyo. It will help guys. I swear, it will help. Pangatlo, find where in your body is the pain. Halimbawa, pag nakakaramdam ka ng depression, masakit yung dibdib mo, masakit yung ulo mo, it's normal. Kapag nahanap mo kung saan mabigat, kung saan masakit, kapag inaatake ka ng depression, mas maganda yun. Maganda yun kasi dapat alam mo kung saan sa katawan mo yun. At pangapat, kapag may hallucinations, wag mong labanan. Don't fight it. Let it be. It's like riding a wave. Let it take you where it wants. And it'll eventually pass away. Kaya guys, coping with depression is a journey. Not a destination. It's okay to take one step at a time. Remember, you're not alone. And there's hope. If you're struggling, reach out to a friend, family, or a mental health professional. They can help you navigate the tough times. Don't lose hope guys. Don't lose hope. Kung pakiramdam mo pasuko ka na, manalangin ka. God knows when to send you exactly what you need. So yun lang para sa video na to. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. If I could be who you wanted. Oh.